Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can add some cool hover effects on our GoHighLevel page. Okay, so let's see the preview first. Okay, so here the first one is expand image on hover. Okay, so when we hover on image, then it gets the image expanded. Okay, and also it actually represent our work. I just added for example, okay, work, but you can add your text, and you can see when I hover it get its full view each of the image. Okay, so let's see the second one. We call it hover glowing effect. Okay, so this one actually add some animated glowing effect on the element. Okay, so in this example I just added some card. Okay, just some column, 3 column row, and I added the glowing effect on each of the column, and when I hover on them then it add the glowing effect. Okay, and then the last one is unfocused blur effect. Okay, so this one when we hover any of the element it actually get other elements blurred, and the hovered element get its focused. Okay, so you can see here when I hover any of them it actually works like this. Okay, so let's see how we can create this type of cool effect on our GoHighLevel page. Okay, here I am on the GoHighLevel page editor, and you can see I already added all those effects, but I'm going to show you how you can do this like this way. Okay, so for the first one, expand image on hover, we are going to add a 4 column row. Okay, just take a section, then add a 4 column row, and each of the column you need to add a background image. Okay, so let's say first one. Okay, I'm going to add a background image. Let's say this one, then the third one, let's say this one, and then this one added. Okay, so this one I will add this image also. Okay, so I added 4 background image for each of the column. Okay, and then you need to make sure that you have the full center, this one selected. Okay, it's not, should not be parallax image option, it can be full center, and do this for all of them again, and like this. Okay, and after that you can add your text or any other element you need. Okay, so in this example I'm going to add the text. Let's say we want to get W. Okay, and then we will add the font size and the font color, make it white. Okay, so after that we are going to copy each of them, and then we add WO R. Okay, so this one is already done. Okay, and now we need to add the CSS selector. Okay, so let's say we are going to add a custom class. Okay, so this one should be the image container class. Let me get it. Okay, here is it. I just added the class on the column. Okay, the row. Yeah, it's row, and then each of the card. Okay, piece of the card, that means the column. Okay, we are added where I'm going to add a CSS class called cards. Let me do this for all of them. Okay, like this. The third one, the class, and fourth one. Okay, and once you are done with this you need to make sure that this section is full width. Okay, to do this just click this toggle button, and then it will make your section full width. Okay, like this one, the example is already created. Okay, so and after that you need to copy the code snippet from our GHL code snippet library. Okay, you will get the link of the code snippet library below this video. Okay, so after that add the code. Okay, just open this tracking code, and then add this code at the header. Okay, and then let me publish the page, and then I will preview this. Okay, let me preview this. You can see here we added the expand image hover effect. Okay, it's now working just fine. Okay? So, and then let's see how we can add the glowing hover effect. Okay? First of all, we can create the card. You can add your design, color combination, whatever way you actually want. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can add this CSS code into your card. Okay, let's say I think you already designed the card. Okay, so this is not the GoHighLevel page builder tutorial. Okay, so actually that's why I'm not going to show it. Okay, and now what I need to do, just click here. Okay, select the row and then go to the advanced tab and add the glow gradient parent. Okay, so add this CSS class, and then for each of the column add another CSS class. Okay, let's say glow gradient child. Okay, so this one is the parent, which is our row, and inside the parent, no matter how many of the element you have or how many column you have, okay, so you need to make sure that you just add the CSS class, okay, glow gradient child, this one, the exact element where you actually want to apply the hover effect. Okay, and after that copy the code snippet. Okay, just copy the code snippet and then okay, copy the code snippet and then put it into the hover like this. Okay, let me delete this one. Okay, and then preview it. Let me preview. Okay, so this one you can see this one is working just fine. So all you just need to add the CSS class, okay, and then put the code, okay, into your GoHighLevel page builder at the tracking code section, and you are good to go. So let's see how we can add this one. Okay, on focus blurred effect. So the same way, you just create your design first. Okay, and after that click on the row, okay, again, and then go to the advanced tab and add the class. Okay, so in this code you just need to add blur container. Okay, and then for each of the card, okay, we need to add blur card. Okay, this CSS selector. Okay, so no matter it's 3 column, 4 column or whatever, okay, but it actually need to follow this structure. Okay, first of all you need to add your CSS class, which is called the blur container, at your row, okay, where your elements are already that you want to add the unfocused blur effect, and then select the column for each of the content. Okay, so not the exact content, you just need to click on the column and then add the card. But if you want to add the blur effect, okay, for the individual component, okay, or the element, then you need to select that one. So let's say, for example, if I want to add this effect into this exact text, then I need to go to select this and go to the advanced tab and add the CSS class here. Okay, so what is our CSS class? Let me show you again. Yeah, it's blur card. Okay, just add this exact CSS and then copy the code from our GoHighLevel code snippet library and then add back to your tracking code, and you're good to go. So this way you can add this type of hover effect. Okay, so you can get the code snippet into our GHL code snippet library. Let me show you just in a moment. GHL SaasKits. You will get the link of our website at the below of this video. Okay, so just you can get the code snippet from here. You can see we have almost 200 plus code snippet already into our library, and you can get access there. Those are the premium. Okay, you can get the lifetime deal for $297, or if you want to get the monthly package, then you can also get the $47 month package here. Okay, so you will unlocked all of our code snippet and also all our future code snippet that we are already going to add. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, then feel free to like this video and subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.